thought I was recording. I started with my pinky with this color. This is Queen of Glam. And for the birthday set, I am doing a rainbow of pinks. We're gonna do a pink birthday for Madam Glam. Next color is Royal Pink. And we're going to, ooh, look at that. I love me a good light medium pink. I'm holding my breath when I paint this, I'm not gonna lie. I like to take a little brush and get into my deeper side walls to make sure that they're even. Next one is I Love New York City. Did I do that right? Yes. I'm trying to do like an ombre, but with pinks you can have cool or warm pink. I feel like this one screams a little bit more cool, but I love this one so much. Like, look at that coverage. I had to do it. Oh, I forgot to say my nails are already done. So I actually built up my nails already. So I really take my time on that first coat because it makes the second coat go by so much easier. Next up is Glam Element, which is from their newest collection. See, I was like, do I want to do it? But I'm obsessed with this color as well. Even though I feel like I should probably, honestly, I probably should have taken one color and then just added white to it, but we're here. And all over the cuticle. Last but not least is Fire Sign. Look at that. I mean, it definitely could be more red, but I debated just doing it in this pink. And it doesn't necessarily match. But it's my nails. I get to do what I want. Taking these 3 different pudding gels, I wanted to do an ombre, kind of like how I did with the pink, but since we're going to go with a pink and purple birthday theme, I thought this would be super cute to also do an ombre. And I went with the lighter color towards the left side, the opposite ombre essentially of the pink, and I thought it came out so stinking cute. I'm literally obsessed with it. So now we're adding just the little balloon detail, so doing the strings, and then I also grab the white pudding gel and do like that highlight, and I loved this one so much. And now we're going to do that drip. I realized I did this drip upside down. I debated doing like, you hold your nails up the other way for photos. And so I was like, oh, I'll do the drip on the tip part. But the way I ended up doing the photos, because I had the balloons the other way, is, so now you can see balloons are one way, the drip's the other way. So I was like, okay, well, that's kind of a fail, but it's okay. So I do the drips that way, and it all works out in the end, but I just was kind of laughing that I just completely, on the second nail, did it the opposite way it was supposed to. And now we are doing the 9 for the 9-year anniversary. I can't believe they have been around 9 years. I feel like it was just yesterday that I started using them, but I've been using them for 4 years, 3 or 4 years now. So I'm just taking different pearls, and I have that little disc that I got from AliExpress. You can get them off Amazon too. I can try to link like a dupe that's like closer, obviously, than AliExpress below as well. But I loved how this 9 came out because I wanted it to be bling. It's special, and I just thought it was so cute. And then I was like, I need more bling. So why not do bling on the pinky? So I first put a little like glitter to add, and I was like, I wasn't feeling it. So I just pull it off and just do pearls. So I was trying to do this like classy, blingy like look, but also birthday celebration. But I did feel like I need some glitter, and I do wish I added some more glitter like on the other side and not just had it on the thumb. But I mean, it's okay. I still loved how it came out, but maybe on the sprinkles, I should have done glitter sprinkles. But we're going to add more bling because it's me and I need more bling. So I take this little lollipop because I was like, birthday celebration. I didn't have like a cake or anything, but I was like, a little cake pop. That's kind of what I was thinking. So we just put that all together, and then we cure it all. And we're going to come in with that top coat, and then we're just going to apply that all over the nail, add some cuticle oil, and we are going to finish up. All right, happy birthday, Madam Glam, 9 years. That's crazy. So again, I want to thank them for letting me participate in their little birthday celebration. I will make sure to link everything below. I do have a discount code with them. I am an affiliate, and I can also put that down below, but usually they're running specials better than my discount code. I'm just saying, but anyway, I'll link it below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.